Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, coming to you from Ross. I am here at Ross on Labor Day, trying to beat the crowd. If you can see behind me, there are not many cars in the parking lot, but this is the way I like it. I can shop freely without bumping into each other. So, I'm asking you to come along with me, and we are going to shop together on this Labor Day. And I'm asking you to hit that subscribe button to support me, hit that notification bell so you'll know each time when I upload a new video, and hit that share button. Share this video. I'm asking you guys to watch this video all the way through. Do not skip any of my videos so I can get the credit towards my total hours, okay? And I'm going in there to look for maybe if I can find another burnt orange pillow. I'm looking for a gold candlestick, maybe some pieces to do a centerpiece, and a throw, a burnt orange throw, something in that orange family. So at this time, I'm asking you guys to just come along with me, and you can shop out of the comfort of your home without leaving your house. Okay, let's go, and I will see you in the store. And this is the Christmas tree, $16.99. I'm not going to do a lot of different prices because I came back here just to find me some pieces, see what else they had since the last time I was in here last week. That is cute. $19.99. $11.99. So these here are some new pieces since the last time. Well, I don't see a price on that one. Okay, hopefully I can find those candles that I'm looking for. Candlesticks, gold candlestick. That's nice, guys, for anyone that's doing any decoration in that style. This is light. I thought maybe it would be heavy, $12.99, but it's not. This little bird is heavy, $6.99. And they do have two of them. There we go. So you can see them better. It's $5.99. Okay. Look like, see, this is different. $6.99. This is something different from the last time I was here. $9.99. And this is different. $7.99. Put that back on his little heady. These are happy people. $14.99. Hanging from the heart, tree of love. She has some weight on her. Hey guys, some more little birdies. $5.99. I bought some the last time I was here, but they was not $5.99. I believe they was $8.99 because they was more of a gold. It's $5.99. Put those little birdies up there so someone can see them. Okay, that's $5.99. Out of those, $5.99. The one over there as well. This little tray here, $9.99. That's cute. Okay, let's head to the candles. I haven't found what I want yet. Oh, I overlooked this one here. This is something new since the last time I was here. See, the price on this is $12.99. Okay. Take a good look at her. And I don't know if you guys noticed this one the last time I was here, but she is $15.99. Okay, they got two of those Christmas trees. Now, it was a candle the last time I was here. I believe it was called Pumpkin, Vanilla Pumpkin. There it is. That's what I want. Let's check their furniture pieces. They still have these two tables here. $99 each. And it seemed like they sold most of their furniture from the last time I was here. Okay guys, we are going to wrap it up. Thank you for shopping with me out of the comfort of your own home. And if you'd like to see any more of these videos like this, where you won't have to leave your house to shop, go ahead on to my channel, Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll know each time when I upload a new video. Hit that share button, share. And guys, I thank everyone for helping me meet my first goals on September the 5th. I needed 100 subscribers, and you guys just showed out. You guys helped me so much, and I appreciate that. Now I'm looking for a total of 150 by September the 12th, and asking you guys to help me out once again. Do not skip on any of my videos, because I do need the watch hours. I need 4,000 watch hours. Please play my videos all the way through, please, so I can get the credit. And once again, thank you, thank you, thank you for all the ones that have subscribed to my channel and the one that faithfully watch my channel. I appreciate that. Okay guys, I'm gonna get ready to head out of the store. And once again, thank you guys for hanging out with me. Okay, I will see you outside, okay? And I'll let you know what all I purchased. Hey, I just not finished shopping in Ross. They had some good items, but I was not able to find my throw and my pillows. Well, I purchased one pillow from Burlington, but if they had another one that I liked, I was going to buy another one. But I was able to pick up some candles, and that was about the only thing that I picked up. my throw, I couldn't find that. My candlestick, they didn't have that. Okay, I'm gonna go into the Dollar Tree because I do need some more fall leaves. So I'm gonna go into the Dollar Tree and I will be heading in there shortly. Bye bye, thank you for watching.